Today we're going to cover lesson 10.3, 2 ideas, measures of variation, and then box and whisker plots. So for the intro video, this is actually the only slide I have. I want to show you what a box and whisker plot looks like, the 5 different elements of it, and then just a couple other things. So a box and whisker plot will show you basically the spread of a set of data. It divides it into four sections. So you've got kind of your lower quarter, you've got this middle section, the box, where you've got the lower part, the upper part, and then you have the upper quarter. So there are 5 numbers in a box and whisker plot. You've got your minimum, quartile 1, which is the lower end of the box. By the way, the box and whisker, so here's the box, and then you've got 2 whiskers on the end. The median is always the very middle of your box right there. Quartile 3, which is the upper end of the box, and then you have the maximum value. We call this the 5-number summary of a set of data. You've got your minimum, your Q1, median, Q3, and maximum. So you can see that our data is divided into four parts. You've got the lower part, kind of the lower part of the box, the upper part of the box, and then this upper part. Each section is 25% of the data. So down here, this is the lower 25% of the data. That's spread out more. You can see the upper 25% of the data. You have more numbers in here. It's more densely packed. And then this middle is the middle 50%, and you've got the lower part and the upper part. So 25%, 25%, 25%, and 25%. So just a couple other things to put in your notes. 5-number summary. And by the way, if you haven't drawn that in yet, just a sketch with everything labeled is very helpful. So draw in that sketch. 5-number summary is the minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and maximum. The range of your data is you take the maximum value minus the minimum value, so those max and min right from your 5-number summary. And then we have this thing called the interquartile range. So it's a range, you are subtracting, but the interquartile range basically tells you the range of the box right here. So you take your Q3 minus your Q1, and that will give you the interquartile range. So there are a few videos to follow up kind of creating your own box and whisker plot. I just want to show you what it was so that you can do some more examples in your notes.